Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you are logged in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, just click on the search box, and now you can type in Sonic Racing CrossWorlds to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and you will be taken into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You also have the option to play the demo before purchasing the full game. Now, once you click on View My Cart, you may continue towards your payment, and then you can use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. After entering the credentials of your card, enter your billing information as well. And once you complete the transaction, the game will be added to your library. Then you can complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. And once it is done, you may start enjoying the Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Sonic Racing CrossWorlds. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.